So it's November 1st, and I just finished my first session of writing for NaNoWriMo. And I just went into the website, the NaNoWriMo website, and posted. Today I wrote 849 words. Now that is way short. That's way short of what the NaNoWriMo goal is, which is like 1,700 words a day. But my goal is not to write 50,000 words. My goal is to write a 90-page movie script. And I met my goal. So I've previously outlined a lot. I went through and I outlined the whole movie. I outlined the first 4 or 5 scenes. And so my goal today was to write the first scene. So I did that. It's just over 4 pages onto the 5th page. And I figured if I write about 4 pages a day, I'm a little bit faster than 90 pages by the end of the month. So this scene that I wrote, it is the beginning of the movie. Like I've said in previous video, when I wrote this as a play, this opening scene, because it's a film noir style and it's supposed to set up narration for the whole story. One of the things it does is it sets up for the movie to be told, narrated by the main character, which is kind of a film noir thing, like Double Indemnity, right? And I wanted to do a little bit different, so it takes place from a therapist's office. At least it did in the play. I'm mixing some things up for the movie, but it's from a therapist, but it's Ace knows the therapist. It's their first session, but he's known him for a long time. And so they're very familiar. They know each other as they talk. As Ace, who's the main character, I didn't explain that. Ace is the main character, and he's very reluctant to start talking. But the conversation is, it's more than just, hey, you should talk and share your feelings. It's personal from both sides, and I think it's got an interesting tone. I think I hit the right tone that I wanted to hit with it. Tomorrow is going to be the first scene in this flashback, and I think I'm in a good place. That it's going to be interesting. So, yep, I met what my goal for the first day was, and yeah. So if you're doing NaNoWriMo, please tell me in the comments below. How's it going for you? And if you like these little update videos like this, I think this forces me to keep up with it. Because if I know people are following me, I'm going to have to keep up on it. I want to write this movie script because I plan on making it in January. But yeah, so I met my goal for day 1. And I want to hear from you. How'd it go for you today? Let's talk about it in the comments.